Burrito Impossible Pie. Shh. One cup Bisquick, 1/3 cup of water, and a can of refried beans. Mix that together. Spread that mixture in the bottom of a prepared pie dish. Cook and drain a pound of meat. I added a little taco seasoning. Put it on top of that bean mixture. 1 cup of salsa and some cheese. I'm gonna bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. It's out of the oven. I can't wait to slice into it. Burrito Impossible Pie with the refried bean crust. I'm ready to try it. Love a refried bean. And that meat and cheese, so terrific. Put some sour cream on top to add to it. Love the salsa in there. And you know what? I've been enjoying making impossible pies now for a little while. And impossible pies have come to an end. If you want to see more impossible pies, check out my playlist. Impossible.